Hi everybody, I'm Colin from Doberta Plumbing, and today we're at a customer's house who has a growing family and they're constantly complaining about running out of hot water and they're running out of space. So what we're going to do for them today is we're going to get rid of this old 50-gallon heater and we're going to put in a brand new tankless hot water heater, which is going to free up all this space for them, and it's going to give them endless hot water, solving all their problems. So at the end of this video you'll see a nice little box on the wall, Nard's tankless heater, endless hot water, solving all their problems.